My mum asked me to 3D print over 1,500 math blocks for her classroom. That was actually the easy part. Then she asked me the question, how am I going to store all these? Now you may have seen these blocks before, probably at a school, right? Well, these are MAB blocks, standing for multi-base arithmetic blocks. Now my first idea was to put them into plastic bags. Too unorganized and hard to find a piece on demand. What we really need is a container, but not a normal one. One that has segmented sections for each number. The next logical step was to look on the MakeWorld and see what other people had made. And there was nothing. I was just gonna have to model one myself. Luckily, I'm a genius and can model really fast. Okay, let's print it. And here it is, the prototype. Looks pretty good. Until you actually start using it. Now, I actually made a heap of mistakes with this one. I printed it using a clear spool that was older than the printer itself, so during the print it kept snapping. The walls were too high, and it was actually holding double the amount of blocks than my mum wanted in a set. And there wasn't really a way to get them out. Well, there was one way. Back to the drawing board. Or the sketch tool, whatever you prefer. After a couple failed test prints and also changing some tolerances, I'd done it. Here it is. The MAB block storage container. Now, each tray has its own designated numbers. So each tray will have 2 blocks that add together to make 11, because that makes 5 equal sized trays. Now, how do these trays stay together? Very good question. I decided to use these dovetail joints as sliders so they all slide together while making every tray visible, meaning you can instantly tell if one of the blocks is missing. Now you may be asking, where did I come up with this idea from? Well, during the modeling process, I like to watch YouTube videos, and basically one of them was about dovetail joints, and it inspired me so much, I decided that's how I'd keep my trays together. So yeah. Now as you can see, the box is pretty sturdy and secure, so great for classrooms, and my mom was very happy with this idea, so I showed her with the blocks in, and they look amazing. All the trays are really easy to get to, and they've also got these little finger holes where you can pull out the blocks really easy and also put them back in, which was also a struggle on the first one. Now here, each of what do the trays look like, and as you can see, they add up to 11 like I said, and super easy to access and also really easy to pack away for kids. So that was kind of the goal, make it easy for students, and there we have it, our finished product. Now, this was actually the fast part of the process. It only took me about 4 to 7 business days, but now I had to make 15 of them, and the first one took about 12 hours to print. The only problem was I needed a 3D printer, one that actually works. This one doesn't turn on anymore. So I had a look at Facebook Marketplace, the best place to buy new 3D printers, and well, I picked up one of these. Another Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon. So I decided to do a couple of test prints just to make sure it was good, and they came out pretty well. As you can see, these are essential prints. Time to print the 15 sets. Now, because of the settings, I didn't actually get any of the time lapses, so here we have me packing all the blocks into their containers. I only ended up recording a fifth of what I actually had to do the whole time. And this process took me a couple of hours because all the blocks were in that first box from the beginning, all jumbled up, which means I had to sort through all of them. Now here we have it, all the blocks packed away in their respective trays. Now it was just time to put all the containers together and give them to my mom. Anyway, let's do this. And here we have it, all 15 sets, all done. Now, these came out really well, and I'm really proud of these, so yeah. Now, I'm just gonna give them to my mum. Now, if you made it this far, please subscribe, helps out the channel a lot. And if you're interested in buying these, I actually have a store up, layerlegacy.net. It'll be in the description. If you're a teacher or someone you may know wants these, I have them for sale up there. Anyway, see ya.